Hey Panthers, it is Cinco de Mayo 5/5, 2020. We're going to keep going with some fractions today, and I'll send you to IXL for a little adding fractions at the end. Hopefully, had a little luck with kind of that lowest common denominator, that least common multiple, figuring out what we do to the bottom, we do the top. We're going to review. I'm going to run through a bunch of problems today in our time and send you on your way. So hopefully we're feeling a little more comfortable. So I got two up here to start us with. 5/6 plus 1/2. I see not the same denominator, right? Bottom is different. So I got to get it to the same. Well, are they both even numbers? That's a big clue. They are. So I want to check first, will 2, my smaller number, fit into 6, my larger denominator? It will. So I only have to change one of my numbers. 5/6 stays the same. How many times does 2 go into 6? 2 times what equals 6? 2 times 3. If I do that on the bottom, what do I need to do to my 1 up here? 1 times 3 is 3. Is 3 half of 6? Does that make sense? It sure does. So 5 plus 3, 8 over 6. Oh, can we simplify? And we'll get to improper fractions, but let's simplify. Those are both evens. 4 over 3. Okay? Right here. Both evens, but will 6 go into 8? It won't. So I'm going to have to do some least common multiple. Okay? 6 and 8. 18, 24, 30. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Do I have anything in common here? Sure enough, 24. Okay? So if I have that 24, now I have a new denominator. Over 24 and over 24. 6 and 8. 6 times what is 24? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. If I do it to the bottom, got to do it to the top. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 plus 12, 16 24ths. Let's simplify that though. Both evens, sure enough. All right, well, let's cut it in half. 8 twelfths. Huh. Okay. I think they can still go smaller. Cut it in half again. 4/6. Oh, sorry, I wrote that sideways. 4 over 6. Both evens. Can I make it even smaller? Sure can. 2/3. All right, I'm going to pause, write one more up here for us to practice together. Okay, 1/5 plus 2/3. Now, a little different. Neither one of those numbers are even. 3 does not fit into 5. So let's get to our least common multiple. 5 times 1 is 5, times 2 is 10, times 3 is 15, 4 is 20. Now let's do a 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. As soon as you see it, stop. Don't keep going. As soon as you see the same number for one and the other, you're good. 15 and 15, right? Awesome. Got our new denominator. 15. 5 times what equals 15? 3 times what equals 15? If I do it to the bottom, I've got to do it to the top of that one. 5 times 3, 1 times 3. 3 times 5, 2 times 5. 3 plus 10 equals 13/15. And I know 13 is a prime number. I cannot reduce that further. I'm sending you on your way to practice adding fractions. Use least common multiple. Get your denominator.